Today our topic is emulsion and its types. It is a very important topic of this surface chemistry. So first of all, we will try to define emulsion. Emulsion is a colloidal system. Emulsion जो है, it is a colloidal system. ये colloidal system है, in which both the dispersive phase and dispersion medium are normally immiscible liquids. In emulsion is a colloidal system in which both dispersive phase and dispersion medium are normally immiscible liquids. मिलिक जो है, मिलिक इज ए नेचुरली ऑकरिंग emulsion. ये नेचुरली ऑकरिंग emulsion है. ये नेचुरली ऑकरिंग emulsion है. So in which the liquid fat, जो liquid fat है, that is dispersed. In which the liquid fat is dispersed in water. यानी मिल्क में जो लिक्विड फैट है, पार्टिकल्स ऑफ लिक्विड फैट that they are dispersed in water. So यहाँ पर जो लिक्विड फैट है that acts as dispersive phase, वो गया dispersive phase, and water यहाँ पर act करता है as dispersion medium. Dispersion medium. Emulsion जो है, emulsion has a tendency to settle down on standing and can be made stable by the addition of some substances. And we can stabilize the emulsion by adding some substances. These are known as emulsifying agents or emulsifiers. Examples of such solutions are soaps and detergents. So these are used as emulsifiers. That means they are added to the emulsion to make it stable. In a emulsion को stable बनाने के लिए we add these soaps or detergents. We add these emulsifying agents or emulsifiers. Emulsions जो है ना, emulsion can be separated into its constituents by one of the process, by heating or by freezing or by centrifugation. So we can separate emulsion in dispersive phase or dispersion medium को अलग कर सकते हैं by using one of these processes. You can separate these either by heating or by freezing or by centrifugation. Emulsions have two types. We have two types of emulsions. Number one is oil in water type emulsion. Water type. Second is water in oil type. So what is the first one? In oil in water type emulsion, the dispersed phase, यहाँ पर जो dispersed phase is oil. यहाँ पर dispersed phase होता है oil, and dispersion medium is water. So oil in water type emulsion is that emulsion in which the dispersed phase is oil and dispersion medium is water. That means यहाँ पर जो major quantity है वो water की होती है. So these emulsions are also called, in oil in water type emulsions are also called aqueous emulsions. इनको हम aqueous emulsions भी बोलते हैं. Aqueous emulsions इनको बोलते हैं. For example, we have milk, we have vanishing cream. So these are aqueous emulsions. So milk is an naturally occurring emulsion, but aqueous emulsion. It is oil in water type emulsion. So we have one more, that is water in oil type. So this is an emulsion in which the dispersed phase is water and dispersion medium is oil. यहां पर जो मेजर क्वांटिटी है वो ऑयल की होती है, यानी डिस्पर्सिव मीडियम यहाँ पर ऑयल होता है. सो दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड वाटर इन ऑयल टाइप इमल्शंस आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ऑयली इमल्शंस. इनको हम बोलते हैं ऑयली इमल्शंस. ऑयली इमल्शंस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव बटर. Butter is a water in oil type emulsion, or we have cold cream. हमारे पास cold cream है. So these are butter and cold cream, or they are oily emulsions or water in oil type emulsions. So in short, we can say that there are two types of emulsions: oil in water type emulsion and water in oil type emulsion. How these emulsions are prepared? इनको हम prepare कैसे करते हैं? लेबोरेटरी में हम कैसे बनाएंगे emulsion? So emulsions are prepared. These are generally prepared by vigorously shaking the two immiscible liquids. इन्हें हम करते हैं shake करते हैं. Shaking two immiscible liquids. This gives rise to, after shaking, this gives rise to an unstable emulsion. An unstable emulsion. इससे emulsion वहां पर unstable emulsion बनती है. Unstable emulsion. To make it stabilize, to stabilize this emulsion, to make it stable, to stabilize this emulsion, emulsifying agents or emulsifiers or added like soap or detergent. यानी इमल्शन को शेक करने के बाद जो अनस्टेबल इमल्शन बनती है उसको स्टेबलाइज करने के लिए फिर उसमें हम ऐड करते हैं, वी ऐड इमल्सिफाइंग एजेंट और इमल्सिफायर, दैट मीन्स सोप या डिटर्जेंट हम ऐड करते हैं. सो इस तरह वी गेट ए स्टेबल इमल्शन, वहां पर हमें मिलती है स्टेबल इमल्शन. द प्रोसेस जो ये प्रोसेस है, प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग एन इमल्शन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग एन इमल्शन इज नोन एज, इसको हम बोलते हैं इमल्सिफिकेशन. So what is now emulsification? Emulsification is a process of making an emulsion. How can we make an emulsion? We take two immiscible liquids, we shake them vigorously, then we add emulsifying agent or emulsifier to make the emulsion stable. This whole process, that means this making of emulsion, the process of making an emulsion is known as emulsification. So what is an emulsifying agent? Emulsifying agent is actually, these are the substances like soaps and detergents which are added to the emulsion to make it stable. So this was about emulsion and its types. Thank you.